Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. Are you interested in learning about exciting crypto projects? Congrats, because you found the perfect place. In this video series called Know Your Crypto, we talk about different cryptocurrencies in a very simple manner. Today, you will discover more about the Quant project, so let's not waste time and start. Quant Network offers an application that creates a blockchain platform for mutual interworking. It shows that general-purpose applications are able to exist simultaneously on different registers, with the ability to communicate with each other. Therefore, applications can communicate, transfer, and exchange information and values, independent of the registration records where they are used. Overledger enables users to create decentralized, multi-purpose applications which are not bound to one blockchain. Users can launch applications, smart contracts, agreements, or move data using various blockchain technologies. So, Overledger is the platform where multi-purpose, decentralized applications take place. Quant Network endows developers with tools for building inter-blockchain applications using the help of the Software Development Kit. Developers can release free applications. To access the platform, the user should have a minimum number of QNT tokens. QNT is the native token of Quant Networks. It is an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain. But where did Quant come from? The Quant project was launched back in June 2018, but work on Overledger Quant Network was started even earlier, in 2015. The Quant team's main goal is to connect blockchains and networks on a global scale, without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. In the crypto industry, the success of the projects depends on the team leaders, so let's see who is standing behind the Quant network. First, a very important person is Quant's CEO, Gilbert Verdian. He is a technologist with business education and extensive experience in technology and security areas. Gilbert Verdian is actively working on technology advancements in the areas of AI, cybersecurity, blockchain, and fintech. The next person is Paulo Tasca, who is the co-founder of Quant. He is a digital economist, a specialist in digital innovation, blockchain technology, and integrated systems. You can check out the rest of the Quant team on the project's official website. We can definitely say that Quant is a team of high-quality professionals that are working hard on unleashing the power of blockchain networks. You see how cool the Quant team is? Let's move on and take a look at the Quant main advantages. We can distinguish the following strengths of the project. An accelerated transaction process, achieved through blockchain interactions. A convenient and uncomplicated interface, which is clear even to a beginner. The ability to create multi-purpose, decentralized applications and smart contracts. Compatibility with all relevant devices. Impressive, huh? But what about Quant's disadvantages? The team claims that it is a unique platform on which multi-purpose applications may be launched. However, there are several projects with the same goal as Quant. So basically, this is the only weak point that we can mention here. So, to sum up, Quant is one of the leading crypto projects of our days. This project is among the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. We really can't wait to see this project's further development and reaching new milestones. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the Quant project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.